Hi, Kipsters. I'm going to go over the do now question and how I would answer the question. So it says, today we'll begin to learn about Greek mythology and how it influences our lives today. What practices from a long time ago do we still use in our society currently? So I'm going to focus on how it says how it influences our lives today, which means how does it affect our lives today? How does something from thousands of years ago affect me as a person today or other people in the world around us today? And so the practice that I thought of that happened thousands of years ago was yoga. Yoga happened 5,000 years ago. It was created 5,000 years ago. And its purpose was for people to become in tune with themselves and with nature. This is still affecting me and other people in the world in San Antonio today because people can go to yoga studios here in San Antonio. You can go to yoga at school. And now that we can't really do much, we can now start doing online yoga. You can do it from your home, from a tablet, from a phone. And people do yoga today to be in shape, to keep themselves fit. But other people, or other reasons, they still use the same exact reasons so they can be in tune with themselves and with nature. So that is one way that we are using something from ancient times and how it's still happening in our present day. So that's what I want you to think about when we're doing this lesson. What things in Greek mythology are we using today that happened so many years ago? All right, so think about that as we're going through the lesson.